Your ability to grow your people while improving your business processes will define your legacy as a leader. Are you ready and are you committed to make that happen? If you are, then this course is for you. Welcome to Cultivating Champions of CI, a leader's toolbox for creating a continuous improvement culture. My name is Gary Cox, and I've spent almost 30 years in helping leaders from the top floor to the shop floor frontline employees, helping them develop a culture of continuous improvement, all while growing themselves and their teams. I've supported a wide variety of industries, from agriculture to aerospace, transactional service industries, and of course, manufacturing of all types. This course is designed for those leaders who want to establish a culture of continuous improvement in organizations, all while they're developing themselves and the people around them with the leadership journey that they're all on. Now, this is not a Lean Six Sigma course. I'm not going to be teaching you Lean Six Sigma tools. Instead, this course is about leadership. It's about real, practical, people-centered, continuous improvement leadership that fosters engagement, accountability, and growth. And here's the thing, it's free. Yes. Why free? Well, because I live by the principle that when I give, I also receive. And I receive in unexpected ways. I've had the privilege of being mentored by some incredible people throughout my career, and I've also been rewarded by seeing those I've coached grow. And this course is one way I can give back. I want to provide an opportunity for people to learn from my own experiences, and if they do, I hope that they'll let me know. If people like this course, and hopefully you're one of them, possibly you'll consider buying my book, and you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel, or maybe you'll reach out to me and ask me to support you or your teams in your own growth, coach and mentor you. Whatever comes of this course, I'm thankful that you are taking the time to consider taking. Throughout this course, I'm going to share tools, stories, and strategies that are drawn from my 30 years of leading continuous improvement and mentoring across industries. You're going to be encouraged to reflect on your own discovery around your leadership style, and you're going to be asked to take actions that will become part of your organization's DNA and how it operates in the way of continuous improvement. I want to assure you, though, you don't need to read my book to benefit from this course, although I will say it's a nice compliment to the course. Listen, if you'd like to learn more, then visit my website, garycoxcreates.ca. I got additional insights, I've got videos. You can download a chapter of my book if you wish. Please connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd love to hear how your CI journey and leadership unfolds. So if you're ready to lead with purpose and grow your team and build a culture of continuous improvement and grow yourself in the process, let's dive in.